What's up, everyone? Today we're going to watch some scary TikTok videos. Yeah, if you guys enjoy this reacting videos, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. And yeah, road to 700 subscribers, and let's get right into the video.
Happy birthday, dear Bricky. No. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Make a wish. Make a wish. And many more. Right. Woo! Whoa. All right, Jackie.
Wait, I didn't see anything. Hold on. Oh,
I'm taking a break. Oh, forgot. I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to know the details. All right, here, honey. This is, the girl's got to have a present. This is from me.
okay.
Yeah. Should we have a Yeah. Jackie, presents pass.
Oh boy. That's really sad, guys. Damn. Oh,
Shut up. No way.
is that an ambulance? I just heard.
That is not work. That is not work.
Oh my goodness, guys! I got the freaking goosebumps.
A woman was
Damn.
playing some VR games with her husband, but while taking a 15-minute break, she decided to play a
I
little
don't
bit of
really
a game
like scary
called
videos,
First
but
Encounters. After just playing mini-golf, she
yeah, I
recenters
just give it a
herself in the
shot.
middle of the room and does a boundary reset for the game. And also, she does a space setup and rescans the room, so all objects are out of the way. However, when she starts playing the game, she gets completely spooked after seeing this.
Whoa, VR game. Oh no, I've heard about this video. Oh, a shadow, guys. Damn.
A strange three-dimensional shaped figure can be seen in the room. The figure looks as though it's wearing a hooded cloak. Her husband was sitting in the kitchen at the time, and the figure is a lot taller than everybody else. This is
Damn.
also the first time it has happened, so it wouldn't make sense for it to be due to the room spacing, as she arranges the setup the same way every time. Creeped out by this, she immediately stopped playing the game and decided to take a break. Seeing as everything was set up
I will
properly,
do the same thing,
viewers
not
could
gonna
only
lie.
conclude this was a ghost.
Aubrey Beatrice was acting in a student film in her high school auditorium. She was meant to knock on the door, then shove it open wide with one push.
Go. Knock, 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 go.
Oh, someone's behind her, right?
Now, let's break down what actually happens in the video. Aubrey knocks, then attempts to shove the door open, but it only opens slightly.
Knock, 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 go.
Oh,
Then
someone
the door
pushed the
just
door,
seems to
right?
open the rest of the way, all
Oh.
on its own. You can see Aubrey reach to push the door open, but she finds that it's already open wide.
Sino nagbukas?
Aubrey seems
Oh,
legitimately
she
confused
noticed.
and a little creeped out. But when Aubrey Beatrice posted the video on her Twitter, viewers began to analyze the video. And then things got even stranger. It almost looks as if someone is hiding in the background just inside the door.
Oh
Someone
boy.
who ducks back out of sight when the door opens.
That looks like a
But
face,
Aubrey says
not gonna
there
lie.
was no one else in that room with her. So just who or what is this? You decide.
She heard that something strange was hovering in the sky when she sees this. A woman captured a shocking video from one of her outdoor surveillance cameras. After hearing the rumors that a strange object was spotted near Fort Myer Beach in Florida, she angled her camera towards the sky when she captures this.
Guys, here it is again, the Fort Myers Beach UFO over the beach appearing on the webcam. Wasn't there, and now it is there right after a big lightning strike situation. You can see a little dot pattern that looks like some kind of structure on the object.
That's
So
fake.
that kind of struck me as really interesting when I noticed it, because it kind of starts to confirm that it's some kind of, intelligently made object
Hold
rather
on.
than just.
Guys, if this was real, it would have been all over the world, and there should have been like a news on the news about the UFO visiting us. And yeah, I've heard if aliens comes to Earth, it is the end of the world because those aren't aliens, okay? Those are demons. Yeah. So let's continue. Debunked. Oh, sorry about that.
The object then suddenly disappears, only to reappear again after the heavy thunderstorm, as if whatever this is being intercepted
That's
by
fake,
the lightning
guys.
and revealing it.
That's fake.
Other people from the area also spotted this same strange object in the sky during that thunderstorm in Fort Myers. What exactly is going on in Florida that these things are monitoring them?
Oh, hell no.
This next clip was filmed in a mental institution in a southwestern city in the Netherlands.
That's bad
Now,
news.
I can't even remotely pronounce the Dutch name of the city, so I just won't try.
Dutch.
But this
The
footage was
Flying
filmed in one
Dutchman.
of the institution's holding cells for patients under psychiatric observation. By the way, the institution was also a former prison, and this room was originally used as a solitary confinement holding cell. So obviously, the room has a dark history. One night, guards monitoring the empty cell security camera noticed something very strange.
Guards on duty.
Jezus. Maar
Hey, don't talk
Nou,
about
maakt
my
uit.
god like this, bro. Sorry about that, guys.
Ja, echt.
What is going on?
Het is gigantisch. Nou, nu gebeurt er.
Was that the light in the corner?
Serieus zo.
Like the upper right
Oh ja,
corner?
net als in die films. Ja. Oh. Hij ging er echt naar binnen. Hij trok hem op. Ja.
Oh, shadow.
The light seemed to flicker and fade, and then something dark and ominous crosses the camera. It doesn't look like a bug. It doesn't look like dust or a spider web. But just what is it?
Guys, that's what happens when you open doors to demons. This is going to happen, and people is like, oh, it's a ghost, oh, it's a poltergeist. Sorry, but it's not what it really is. Okay, it's a demon. Okay, I don't believe in ghosts. I believe in demons. Okay, so that things are dangerous, and if you wanna cast demons away, rebuke them in the name of Jesus. Okay, you're welcome.
You decide.
Hij ging er echt naar binnen. Hij trok hem op. Ja.
Late at night, when a man named Taylor immediately takes out his phone to record something in his girlfriend's house. He's
Oh,
by
boy.
himself, and for the first time, he's hearing what his girlfriend often hears at night, but never records on camera. At this moment, the sound of someone walking back and forth is heard from upstairs. The thing is, though, no one else is home except Taylor.
My front camera is
Goes
smashed,
running
but
down the
I'm here
stairs.
at my girlfriend's house by myself. She always says,
Guys, there's people these days, okay? They're communicating to demons. If you communicate to the spiritual underworld, you're inviting them inside of your freaking house. Yeah, that's why I don't do those type of things. And if you guys recommend me to do some haunting investigations videos, I would absolutely say no. Because this is going to happen to my house. Yeah.
it's haunted because it sounds like somebody is walking around upstairs.
Oh, man.
I've never heard it until now. we're saying it's not haunted because the house is a little old.
Ghost running down the stairs. Damn.
The kid
Okay.
sounds like there's somebody upstairs. I
Oh,
don't swing
man.
on a ghost or if it's a person. I don't care.
In this situation, I would just like walk out because I'm not scared of the freaking demons.
Who's up there?
Okay. Don't be afraid of
Yeah,
demons. They would
top
do
of the stairs.
nothing to you. Yeah.
Come down these stairs and I will swing on you. I promise.
Physically or mentally. Oh boy. He tripped, didn't he?
Eerily, the sound of charging footsteps is heard descending the staircase and heading towards Taylor. And as
Mhm.
promised, he delivers. He lunges at whatever it was that was heading towards him.
Oh
Although
boy.
losing his balance upon doing so, he continues to record on the off chance that something else happens. Unfortunately, nothing does. But at least the sounds from earlier have stopped. Now, while most people tend to run away from paranormal occurrences, it is refreshing to see someone do something different. But as some believe, it might be best if he didn't confront the ghost in this house. Regardless, ghost or not, it is nice to see a different kind of reaction.
It would be better if he rebuke him in the name of Jesus. Like, it's easy. Jesus is a powerful word, okay? What is this?
News Top 5 viewer
Oh.
Oliver reached out to me about a video he captured in his home in Twin Falls, Idaho. In his email,
Howdy,
Oliver
howdy.
says that he recorded a video for his friends with plans to hold a sleepover that same night. In
Okay.
his video, he shows his basement and where he and his friends will be sleeping. But what happens next is literally like something from a nightmare.
Is the Lexus going to say something creepy? I don't know. Wait, what? I think I missed something. Did he go? Oh, someone peeked, right? I can barely see. Yeah, let me know what you saw,
What the
or
hell? As
I'll
Oliver
rewatch
looks
the
inside
video.
the bedroom, he sees a tall dark figure
Oh!
standing inside the room. Startled by the creepy apparition,
Oh!
Oliver stumbles back before turning on the lights and taking another.
Guys, I would faint. Okay, I would faint. Okay, I don't care about people saying don't be afraid of demons, bro. I would faint, bro. Oh my goodness, I just got the freaking goosebumps. Yo, just imagine sawing this in your freaking room. I would scream. I would fly. I wouldn't even freaking run. Die on.
Look, but whatever was standing
Phew.
there seems to have
Poor
just
guy.
disappeared.
Poor guy.
What makes
Die
this
on.
footage even creepier is that when slowed down, it becomes clear that whoever or whatever this is
Yo.
seems to be wearing a hat. So if you don't know, across the world, countless people have reported seeing a being known as the quote, Hat Man. Although
Hatman.
some claim to have seen the apparition while
It
fully
might be
awake,
edited, but
the Hat Man is
die
known
on.
to terrorize victims
That's
of
creepy.
sleep paralysis. I asked Oliver if he had ever experienced sleep paralysis in his life, and he explained that he actually did, but only when he was a child. So could
A lot
Oliver
of
have
people
actually
does,
captured proof of the Hat
but
Man's existence?
there's people
Let me
that
know what you think.
never had one.
Who was recording a video one day of some new fish he got for his Instagram
Something
profile,
fishy.
and he was home alone at the time. But while observing the fish, he captured something utterly terrifying.
Alright guys, got some new fish. Pretty big tank
Hey,
as well. There's currently 2 black ones, 2 gold ones. I called them Goldie.
Goldie.
Goldie number 2. Black one, and if you guys have any suggestions for names that... What the
Call him Blackie. Blackie is the perfect name.
What the
I was enjoying the fishes, guys. Hey, hey, hey. Y'all know what this reminds me of? The plush trap scene in Five Nights at Freddy number 4. Damn. Yeah, it's my childhood game. Yeah, I played that time I wasn't a Christian and I enjoyed that game a lot. But yeah, I don't really play that game anymore. But yeah, let's just continue.
While introducing the new fish, a ghostly hand can be seen on the fish tank,
Ghostly
but
hand.
quickly retracts and vanishes as he notices it.
Are
And
those
as soon as he
fingers?
turns the corner, there's nothing there. It looks like there wouldn't have been enough
Oh,
time for someone to quickly run up the stairs or down the hallway without being seen
bro
on
went
camera.
flying.
And
I see.
viewers pointed out that it looks like a vague shadow runs past the front door
Oh
that
boy.
doesn't appear to be his. After this incident, he started hearing reoccurring banging sounds inside his
Or he
house
might be running in the
and
dark,
decided to record when
so
he
we
was
can't
home
see him.
alone to see what might happen. And that's when he has a spine-chilling experience.
Alright, guys, so I just thought I'd record a video. I'm home alone. I've been hearing
Home
like
alone.
occasional like banging noises
Whew.
every few days. It's quite late at night. It's like about 1 a.m. now.
1
I
a.m.
heard a couple of sort of banging. Sometimes it sounds like footsteps. Like in the last 10 minutes. Sorry, my camera by the way keeps defocusing. I'm not sure why, but yeah, I just thought I'd record to just try and like catch any. Fucking hell, man.
Just
Oh,
as he gets to the
language.
stairs, a
Anyway.
sudden bang can be heard, following up with something charging down the stairs straight at him. So, is this the same entity as before? And is this a real ghost caught on camera? Or just a simple ruse? You judge.
What is this? A shadow. Oh boy.
And the music box up there just starts playing.
Might be a setup, but yeah.
Sorry, I'm a little sick. I was trying to rest, but you know, after putting this fucking doll back on the shelf,
That quality,
that
bro.
hand decided to fucking move, and I put that there just to, you know, maybe these two
I hate
talk
dolls.
to each other. But
Literally.
no, the old lady that this belonged to, it belonged to her, actually belonged to her mother. And she said that she calls it squeaky because at night you could hear the doll squeak, which I did hear it squeak.
His eyes. Oh.
Holy shit.
Hmm.
Holy shit.
Guys, I have pedophobia. I don't know what's the phobia called, but I have the fear of dolls. Yeah. If I'm walking in the dark and I see a doll, I would quickly run away because it makes me feel uneasy. But when I see a doll in video, it isn't really that scary. But if I see a doll in person, I would definitely avoid that doll, literally. But that's still scary.
Holy shit, did you guys see that? My hands are shaking.
Bro, how you're still standing there, bro? I saw a shadow. I saw a shadow. What are those people doing at home, guys? Don't communicate with demons, okay? Oh, is that an orb or a dust? I would say that's a dust. I heard something there. Like a gasping noise, I don't know. Okay, that what the freaking hell is this? But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more reacting videos and holy voice crack. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.